Please subscribe to our channel, and for latest update, click on the bell icon.
Hi children, now we'll do a couple of sums more in word problems in multiplication. Okay, one box has, if one box has 17 bottles, one box has 17 bottles, how many bottles are there in 14 such boxes? And that's your question, okay? So, if one box has 17 bottles, how many bottles are there in 14 such boxes? That is one problem. The next problem is, if one egg tray contains, if one egg tray contains, one egg tray contains 20 eggs. 20 eggs. How many? How many eggs are there? Are there in 19 such trays? That's your question. Okay? Now, first we need to do is frame our statements. Okay? If one box has 17 bottles, how many bottles are there in 14 such boxes? So, what will be the first statement? Number of bottles in a box. So, what the first statement? Number of bottles in one box. Number of bottles in one box. Then the next statement is number of boxes. What's the second one? Number of boxes. Number of boxes. Okay. Finally, what is asked? How many bottles are there? So, therefore, total number of bottles, total number of bottles. How do we find? We find that 17 into 14 will give us the answer. Okay, 17 into 14 will give us the answer. Next thing we are going to do right here, tens ones. Write tens and ones and put the numbers correctly for us to multiply. Now, number of bottles in one box is 17. Number of boxes is 14. So, we have to do 17 into 14. Okay, 17 into 14. Now, when we multiply, you got to be careful because it is 2 digit by 2 digit. Forget about the 1. We are going to multiply first 17 into 4. 7 fours are right at the side 28. 7 fours are 28. You will write the 8 here and you write plus 2 here. Now 4 ones are 4. 4 plus 2, 6. So your first part of the multiplication we have done. Now we are going to forget about the 4. We are going to do 17 into 1 because it is in the tens place. What do we remember? First put a small dash in the ones place. Now 1 into 7, 1 into 1. That's what we are going to do. 1 into 7 is 7. 1 into 1 is 1. The next what we need to do, we are going to add these two. What are we doing? We need to add these two numbers and let's see what we get. Bring the 8 down. 7 plus 6, 13. Write small here. Put 3 here in the tens place plus 1. You put it in the next. Okay. 7 plus 6 is 13. 3 you put down plus 1 here. Then 1 plus 1 is 2. That's your answer. So what is your answer? Answer is your answer equal to 238. How many bottles? Total number of bottles. So 238 bottles. That's your answer. 238. First, what did we do? We wrote the statement. Number of bottles in one box, 17. Then we said number of boxes are 14. Total number of bottles, 17 into 14 gives you 238 bottles. How did we multiply? First we did 17 into 4, that gives us 68. Then 1 into 7, before that we put a dash in the ones place, then 1 into 1 and then we added. 7 plus 6 is 13, 1 went here, 1 plus 1, 2. Now let's look at the second problem, what we have here. The second problem is, if one egg tray contains 20 eggs, how many eggs are there in 19 such trays? So what will be the first statement? Number of eggs in one tray. Good. The first one is number of eggs. Number of eggs in one tray. Then what will be the second statement? Number of trays. Good. Number of trays. Okay. Next, what is asked? How many eggs? So, total number of eggs. What will be the third statement? Therefore, the total number of eggs. How do we get the total number of eggs? We must put 20 into 19. And that will give us the answer. Okay? 20 into 19. Okay? Now, your answer we are going to do. Now, after we have done this, we need to write 1's tens before we place the numbers correctly. So, we write tens and ones. Tens and ones. Then we place the numbers. Number of eggs in one tray equal to 20. You write the 20. Number of trays is 19. Okay. Now what do we do? 20 into 19. Alright. Now let's work out the problem. You have 0 in the ones place, 9 in the ones place. Forget about the 1. So we're going to multiply 20 into 9. So 9, 0 is 0. 9 2s are 18. So we got the first part of the sum. Now we forget about the 9. We are going to do the 1 into 0 and we are going to do 1 into 2. So in the 1's place you put a small dash. Now 1 into 0 is good 0. 1 into 2 is 2. Now what we are doing? We need to add this. Put a small addition sign. Okay, and add the two sets of numbers. You bring the 0 down. 8 plus 0? 8. 8 plus 0. 2 plus 1? 3. That's your answer. You have 380 eggs. 380 eggs. That's your answer. What did we do first? First, we read the problem. Then we wrote the statement. Number of eggs in one tray, 20. Number of trays, 19. Therefore, total number of eggs in 19 trays is 20 into 19. Then we placed the numbers. Then first we multiplied 20 into 9. 9 into 0, 0. 9 into 2, 18. Now we forget about the 9. We are going to do 20 into 1. First put a dash in the ones place. 20 into 1 is 20. Now we add the 2 together. 8 plus 0, 8. 2 plus 1 plus 2 is 3. And we get 380 eggs. We learned today word problems in multiplication. We learned to read the problem, frame the statements, and multiply 2 digit by 2 digit.